You want to get your toys? Get them. Go. Go, Lily,
You're
go.
that big
Go,
girl.
Lily, go. Down. Put your legs up there.
You can do it.
Ah.
Keep going, Pumpkin. I know.
You're okay.
Keep going.
Good job.
Yay.
Get your toys. They want to play. Get them.
Oh my goodness, big girl. Keep going. Keep going. Yay! You're so big. Oops. Lily.
Oh, go again.
I was so busy watching her that the camera got off. Yeah, go, go. That's a workout, huh? Oh, no. We got to scoot that back.
Look, look at that. Go get him.
Challenge accepted. Hey, how'd that feel?
Get your mom.
Oh, do you want to come see me, Lilybug? Ah, you got me. You got me. Ow, no bite.